know, bro. You feel me? Yeah. And boy, sip and take in your hood. What the f*** up your buttercup? In that blunt, smoking suicide, bloody blunt.
What's really good? Frankie Bordeaux here, and as you can see by the title, wait a minute, I know you're gonna echo. I'm super excited about this series though, because I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. It's gonna be the first episode of a series of creating my beauty studio. So on today's episode, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the empty room. I'm gonna show you exactly nothing because it's empty. I'm gonna show you guys the first items I bought so far, and you guys are going to put them in the room with me. This gonna be a lit series, okay? This series is gonna be kind of lit, it's gonna be real lit, okay? Because this is gonna be the start of a series. At the end, we will have a nice, beautiful beauty studio.
Oh my God!
If you guys would like to never ever miss a video from this beauty studio creations series, subscribe. That's what they all say. Subscribe, click the bell notification, because listen, I don't want you to miss out. Without further ado, guys, let's just step right on into it. Let's just go. So this will be the room that I will be recording YouTube videos in. All I have in here now is just the Wi-Fi stuff and my tripods. So this is what we're working with. So this is kind of what we're working with, guys. So let's see what I got. So one of the first things I bought is this very beautiful antique gold frame. I got two of them in different sizes. Girl, I love gold, first of all. So pretty. And I plan to go back in and kind of make it a little bit more gold in some areas that are lacking. So I got two of those. Cute. Still got these two twin mirrors here. I love the fact that the design at the top matches sort of this design here. Same antique look. Let's see what I got from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree. So guys, I got two candle holders, very matching twins. I got some command strips. These are unreliable actually. I also got the famous candle holders, as well as these two gold frames. Very cool. I got two regular circled mirrors. These diamonds, I went diamonds and LED lights is what I really wanted. Some extra diamonds just in case. This stick glitter tape sort of vibe. And these two candles. This does include everything that I have gotten for the first episode. And I'm going to bring you along with me to put it all together. this is the final outcome. It looks so good. Of course, on the side walls there, we have that guy and that guy on the side wall. And then we have these guys on our main back wall. Of course, one frame is smaller, so it looks like it's uneven. Don't do this by yourself. Please hire a professional. Sorry, I keep tilting my camera, but hire a professional, save yourself the time, because oh my God, this took forever. So again, we have these mirrors on the side, and when you look across, you see both of them. I'm gonna turn off my light here first so you can see. So you can see both mirrors when you look across. And then of course we have these guys, so cute. I do have to say, hanging these was a son of a bitch. So let me get in the middle so it doesn't look so uneven. It took me forever. Hire a professional, get some help. I did this by myself, kind of free-handed it, and this is as straight as it's gonna get. Of course, one frame, this frame over here is smaller, so it may look a little more uneven, but really it's just a smaller frame. It came out so good. And now I'm gonna show you guys how it looks a few different ways. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with the LED lights on only, with the decor on the top, without the decor on the top, lit just like this with the LEDs, just LEDs only, all sorts of ways, guys. So stay tuned. Here we go. It came out so good. It came out so good. How beautiful is this, guys? I mean, seriously? Seriously. I'm a bit off-centered. I need to move in the middle. But I did incorporate these little perfume bottles on both of them, which you will also see in my next episode. They are so pretty, but I did not feature them in this episode. I don't know how it happened. I don't know. Anyway, this is how it looks without anything being lit. I went ahead and also added these cute little Dollar Tree like Art Deco stickers on both of them as well. I think it complemented not only the candle frame on the outside and the perimeter, but also just little swirls and stuff on the frame as well on the mirror. This is how it looks without anything being lit. Again, this is my custom frame here. I added the diamonds in there to kind of, you know, cover the lines from the glitter sticker. It's a little shine in there. That's the pink one. Sorry, I'm so horrible with holding the camera. I'm used to having my tripod, so this is a lot of work. This is the purple one. I love this perfume bottle. It's so cute. Again, with the Art Deco gold Dollar Tree. And that purple. And now let's take a closer look at both of them with just the LED light on. Here's how the LED lights look with the lights on. My camera light is off. Let's turn off this light. Okay guys, so I do have a little bit of light coming from my window, but this is how it looks with the lights off. I did not obviously get the LED lights to sync in color. It's not a big deal to me, but there is a way to do it, but I just figured it didn't matter for this video. So this is another option in how you can have it. This is basically how it would look if you wanted to still have your, you know, decoration and diamond perfume bottle on the top, but still wanted to have the LED light on. I took off the perfume bottles. This is how it looks without the perfume bottles on. I'm actually going to continue to take off the decor at the top because I'm going to show you guys how it looks lit. Wait, oh, all right, I'll be back. Oh my gosh, guys, so pretty when it's lit. So this is with it lit and the LED lights on. Of course, I will turn my lights off, but again, everything together. And I'm sorry, my camera is literally off center. Guys, these are not crooked like this. I just keep turning my camera like this and like that, but okay. Looks so good from this mirror. So now the room lights are off, guys. Okay, I'm a little out of breath. This is a lot. This camera's heavy with this light on it. So this is how it looks with the candles lit and the LED lights on. It's really attractive. I took off the decor at the top and oh my gosh, guys, these smell so good. I don't even really remember what scents they were because I'm not really planning to burn these candles like that. Although I could, because I did get them from Walmart for the low. I could just like stock up on these. But I think this one's like a lavender scent. And I think this one's like cherry blossom. One thing I did consider doing too was painting the little nail there like gold. We'll see though. I'm gonna turn off the lights now completely. So this is how it looks with the candles lit and the LED lights on. Oh, it would focus. So cute. Mirror, of course. But let's get a closer look. I like the way the candle makes the frame look. It's just like super, like, mysteriously. Just, I don't know, I don't even know how to explain it. But it's just super cool. So that's the pink guy. You can see the Art Deco on the candle. Super cool. Matches the candle holder around it and everything. It's just perfect. This is the purple one. The Art Deco on this one is so perfect. Look, I mean, seriously, look at how it just rules all out. And it's just the same. Like, I have to go up, like, oh my God. Such a perfect one. So as you can see, this is how it looks on the bottom of the candle, the custom candle holder with the LED lights changing. It's so dreamy. Oh, yes. I love. So pretty, guys. So this is both of them. I really truly love how this came out, especially with the mirrors on the sides of the walls. So that does conclude this video, guys. If you liked what you saw in this video, definitely give this video a like. A nice big fat juicy thumbs up. And I can't wait to see you guys on my next episode. You're gonna love it and how it complements these frames so well. Again, do not try hanging these up by yourself. I winged it, and this is how straight it's gonna get. It's pretty straight though. So, yay, came out so good. Hi, pink frame, cherry blossom looking cutie pie. And hi, purple frame, lavender scented honey baby. Alrighty, guys, that's it. I did that, sis. Sister, cousin, brother, mother, grandma, uncle, aunt, T. I did that. Oh my God, I did that.